Today, I'd like to share with you a technique that can maybe help with any kind of arm or wrist pain. Sometimes it helps people with carpal tunnel, and also it can be a great thing to try when you can't sleep at night, so for insomnia. A little bit, we're going to be focused on some of the tenderness or tightness right in that top of the scapula. So if you reach around your shoulder and you can kind of grab with your fingertips that bone right at the top, that shoulder blade or scapula, and sometimes in there is going to be some points that are a little bit tender. Now, arm and shoulder and hand pain can be due to lots of things. But in this exercise, we're going to try to get a little bit more glide going through the heart and the lungs, those upper ribs, and the scapula back here. And then we're going to pause and try to cave around or soften the tissue around that scapula area. So for this one, we want to get cozy on our sides. You might want to have a pillow to help support your head. And then my bottom arm is extended with my palm up. Actually, I'm going to take both hands with the palms facing each other and start with a little reach of that top hand past your bottom hand, and then gently bring the shoulder back. Now, if this causes any pain or discomfort, this may not be the exercise that you want to try first. But check it out and feel if you can glide, just rubbing gently your hand on the palm and the back of the arm, and allowing that shoulder and shoulder blade to gently glide along the ribs. So this one you can do for however long feels comfortable. You could change your arm in different directions, reaching a little bit more on the diagonal back and forth. So play with that movement and notice if we can feel a little bit of glide or opening beginning in that upper back and thoracic area. And then after you've done that for a little bit, we're going to try to soften that top of the shoulder blade area. So where those little tender points were, so we can bend the elbow and let that shoulder drop however it's comfortable. And notice in this position if you can feel a softening through the upper back, through the shoulder blade. The elbow is heavy behind me. Again, you want it to be comfortable, so keep maybe organizing your arm to where that elbow is slightly bent behind you and you can find some comfort. The other option to try is to extend the arm all the way back with a bit of pillows or a stack of blankets behind you. Again, at the right height where that elbow is supported and the shoulder can be a little bit behind you. So notice if you can begin to rest in this position and simply let your body begin to melt into your bed or your floor or wherever you are to try to bring your body into that deeper restful state and alleviate maybe some of the pain or discomfort from your upper back or shoulders area. So play with that, see how that works. I hope you rest well tonight for sure.